I have a shuffle deck here, and I want you to choose any random card you like. No pressure, just the one that catches your eye. Alright, remember it well. Now I will place your card back in the deck. Nothing tricky, but here's the weird part. In just a moment when I snap my fingers, something is gonna happen. The card you have picked will rise straight to the top of the deck. This was your card. Wait, it wasn't? Thankfully every magician has a plan B, in case tricks don't go as planned. Now I'm just gonna place this card face up on top of the deck, and when I snap again, every single card in this deck will turn face up except your card. Let's break it down. Before we start with the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. It means a lot and really helps. This trick is super easy and beginner friendly, but still gets incredible reactions. The trick requires a small setup. All you gotta do is flip the bottom two cards of the deck face up. From the top, the deck looks completely normal, so your spectators will never notice. Just make sure you don't flash the bottom of the deck. Once you are done with the setup, you are ready to perform the trick. If you want, you can give the deck a shuffle, but just keep the bottom two cards under control and avoid flashing them. After you've shuffled the deck, ask the spectator to choose any random card from the deck. And remember, if the spectator tries to pick one of the bottom cards, just tell them to pick a card from the top half. While they are looking at their card, casually flip the deck over so those two reverse cards are on top. While you are flipping the deck, make sure that the spectator doesn't notice. After the spectator remembers their card, take their card and place it somewhere in the middle of the deck face down. You can also ask the spectator to place their card in the deck. At this point, the two cards on the top will be face down and all the cards below those two cards will be face up except the chosen card. Now for the last part. Tell the spectator that when you snap your fingers, their card will magically jump to the top. Snap your fingers and flip the top card, not theirs. Build the suspense and tell them that every magician has a second plan. Then place the top card face up and snap again. Now tell them that every single card in this deck will turn face up except their card, and spread the cards. But while spreading, the second card from the top will be face down, so you need to cover that card. When you spot the spectator's face down card, tell them to pull it and look at it. And that's all for this trick. This was actually one of the very first tricks I learned, so it holds a special place for me. I use this trick all the time, and even now, after learning many other tricks, I still come back to it, because it is simple and fun. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share it with someone who would love to learn magic. Let me know in the comments what kind of tricks you want to see next. More tricks are on the way, so stick around.